common denominator.
And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. You the man.
Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Yeah. Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
What up, what up? Todd Father here. What's up, Zimmy Jim, Slime Cuda, Lloyd. Maybe get a few more people in here in a second. Haven't been on here maybe in, 10 days, 14 days, but markets have been doing what I said finally last couple of days, so I wanted to give a quick little update. Not all the details, because you got to be in patreon.com/learncrypto for that, but do want to give some updates here to social media. What's going on, Yannick? G Eros, what's going on? Let's give you a wrench. Let's add you as moderator, G Eros. Okay, standard moderator, there you are. What's going on, everybody? Let's go into stock chart here first, like we normally do. What's up, IC, Ali E? Been looking really since April 3rd. I talked about, I thought stocks would be sideways to lower, and thought that would bring down crypto. Crypto continued to stay really strong, as we know. Ethereum, rock and roll, Bitcoin tags 31,000. Everything acting well, but I was looking for a backup here, and that's what we're getting, hopefully. I'll show that here in just a minute. In front of us is the SPY chart. Again, you can see where my cursor is. That's April 3rd, the second red dot up there. We did get another one yesterday, technometer over 50. Told us sideways or lower, so it looks like with today's close, maybe we're going to continue to get lower. S&P down 35, NASDAQ down 194. 14 minutes to go. What's up, Carrie? So again, SPY looks like, tucked its head above the previous high. Right up near there, didn't get through it, but right up to it. Not a good place to be stopping, so we do want to watch this pullback. You see technometer on the SPY is only 47. So on stocks, I do not have a buy. I'm coming off 2 sells. We got to have a few days down here to get me excited on stocks. QQQ, same type of thing. Let's go to the 6 month here. You see there at the top, same thing, sideways to lower. I've been talking about since the first red dot on April 3rd. Looks like we're finally breaking down. The last 2 days we opened lower, rallied, and then now today we're finally giving it up. NASDAQ down 126. So once again, I would think we can come down here and take out this low on the 12th, that 312.86 or so, whatever that is, 312.56.5. Get something down here lower, and then that would look like probably a buy. Sentiment is extremely bearish still, but the VIX is at low levels. Set a new low, I believe, yesterday. Normally that's not good, so again, stocks are going to look a little heavy here. So let's go now to crypto. There's probably more people in here interested in at the moment. There's the Bitcoin chart we've been showing with the Wyckoff markings. If you don't know what they are, far left, preliminary support, selling climax, automatic rally, secondary test. We did have the shakeout on FTX with the test. We bought right before that. And we had the sign of strength or a mini jump there at 22,000. Had the deep pullback for the last point of support. Then we had a real jump, and now, if I've been labeling it, looks like we're working on the backup. You see technometer here on Bitcoin, 40.14, lower right, coming down to that green dotted line where we've had previous buys as marked by the green circles. So that tells you want to be long. So it looks like here in a day or two, Bitcoin's going to flash. It's all okay to be long again. Again, patreon.com/learncrypto if you want those trades real time. It's only $40 a month. That's not too much for some pretty good advice. Stops, take profits, you name it. So that's what we're looking on Bitcoin. Let's go to Ethereum. Let's look at Ethereum. Let's go to USD Coinbase chart. I think I've got it marked up well. Here we're going to go to the 6-month chart. I got it marked a little bit differently. You can see here we are. Same type of thing. You can see the technometer as we speak right here on Ethereum USD, 37.8. That is the same level when we were being a buyer back here around December 18th. December 18th, we were buying at, what was that, 1158, I believe it was. 1188, somewhere down in there. So Ethereum USD looking like it's almost safe to enter the water at the moment. We will watch that. Let's go to Ethereum Tether Binance, where the other volume is at. Let's see where it's looking. 6-month chart. Same type of thing. You got the oversold marks there in the green circles. We're 39.5, not at 38 yet, but close. I mean, obviously, it looks like I had mentioned in Discord, I was looking for around 1850 on Ethereum, 27.8 on Bitcoin would be probably support. So not sure of that yet. Again, stocks look like they have lower to go. Could keep the pressure on Bitcoin. We will see. For real 93, while we're here, let's get you, add you as a moderator real quick. What's up, Big House? Pronto Sierra. Let me do Ethereum Bitcoin. I had thrown this chart up 2 days ago at the high. Should have took that as an all-out sell because it worked it perfectly after I posted it in Discord. You can see here again, the sell was red dot April 16th. Technometer was overbought. Technometer currently 42.6. Once again, Ethereum's outperforming today. We got Ethereum down a quarter percent. Bitcoin's down 2.25%. So don't know. That could have been a big low in Ethereum Bitcoin. We're going to watch that for a couple days here, see if we can bring in a little bit more selling on Ethereum. But with that 37.8 reading on Ethereum USD, not sure if we're going to get a lot of selling in Ethereum. ADA Bitcoin. Let's go to 6-month chart. You can see we're down there at oversold. $38.25 on the technometer lower right. You can see that is down at normally low levels. You've got the OP nearing the previous lows while price is holding higher. So ADA may be acting a little bit better here for a purchase. FTM. Let's do FTM Tether Binance. Let's do the 9-month chart here. Or a little bit longer, let's go. You can see the technometer, I mean, the OP is hitting a new low. Well, let me load this again so I get the rest of this information on here. We definitely will go over Litecoin next. It gave up quite a bit here in the last 3 days. So again, there's FTM. I had a line of resistance that's hopefully turning into support. You can see here the OP is 3 up. OP is hitting a new low today while price is holding much higher lows, consistently higher lows. Technometer 41, so I'm going to like FTM here when I give the all clear buy signal on Bitcoin and Ethereum. SOL, BNB, the few that I've been trading more so. Nick's been out there in Band, Cody, FRM, Floki. So again, FTM looking pretty good here, I think. Still think maybe a couple days a little bit lower. What up? Hasta la vista, Barbie. Let's do Litecoin. Litecoin, Tether, Binance. 9 months chart. Then we'll do the SOL. Nick's been trading SOL as well. I've done a few trades out there. Here is Litecoin. Technometer 41.2. The green and red dots were more just a couple of quick scalps I did there 2 months ago. You can see the Wyckoff markings here. That looks probably a jump and a bigger backup. So I still like Litecoin here on, again, a little bit lower. 41.2 technometer. I'd like to see that down around 38. See if we can get a decent Litecoin purchase. That definitely looked like ending diagonal up there at 103, 104. Pretty big sell-off in Litecoin coming off that high, but that was really what I was expecting. Just wasn't getting it as fast as I wanted. Zimmy, I don't think I'm not having much issue here, so hopefully not having an issue. I am getting high wind here, though. We got a high wind outside. Here's a Big House, ETC, Tether. I don't know what the flicker is, so you got me on that one. Everything else should be good, so ETC, chart not really marked up. I haven't traded this in a long, long time. Technometer 38.49. You can see OP looks like new low today. So I don't think that thing is collapsing. Wouldn't be one of my strongest coins, but should be trying to make a low somewhere down here as well, I would think. FTM I went over just a little bit ago. Sorry on that one. I'll try to do it later maybe. Here's SOL, Tether, Binance. FTM looked good, maybe just a hair lower. I'll leave in the next day or two. SOL, Tether, Binance. Coming down to that 20 support level again, where it did rally before the little divergence again. You got OP looks like going to go to another new low. Technometer 40.4, so SOL maybe a little bit closer, a little closer to the 20 level. I'm not sure what the flicker could possibly be because I do not have it. Do not have it in front of me, I don't believe. So again, we're having high winds downtown right now, so we shall see. Anything else on crypto? Only got 3 minutes to go on stocks. Dow bouncing down 120. Not bringing Bitcoin back up much, 28,150 on Bitcoin. So again, to wrap it up, stocks I still think a little bit lower. Let's go back to anybody late here. Let's go back to the stocks. We got QQQ. I had a sell on April 3rd. Another one came back April 13th. I think some type of downside here to that 312 level. And then hopefully Technometer comes off the overbought. We're at 44.8. on a QQQ, which is neutral. So we need a couple more days down here. Maybe see if we can drag Bitcoin and Ethereum a little bit lower, closer to those downside objectives I was looking for. And then I think you're probably we're ready to go back to the upside. Bitcoin's had a heck of a year. Can't complain about crypto so far this year. Here's SHIB Tether. Not acting too well the last few months. Technometer at one overbought or oversold level, but let me get rid of that one. 38.4 is a little more oversold level on SHIB. We're at 40.1. OP coming down pretty good, but SHIB a little lower as well, I would think. Not one of the favorite coins for me, but if you like it, it should be okay in a few days as well. If 30.8 was the major top, I think the only way to say that is if stocks have made a major top here, like a 1-2 on an Elliott wave count, and we're headed straight down. I don't know whether because Fed's going to continue to be overly aggressive with rate rises, or whether a recession is going to turn out being horrible, or whether we got more banking crisis coming. And that would mean, again, stocks have ready to turn down sharply. Let's go to the SPY then and go to a 1-year chart, SPY. And again, some type of 1-2, 1-2 for Elliott wave, or possibly the low there on October 13th was the wave 1 down. Not exactly how I have it marked on this chart. Then we've just had an ABC back up. But that could be after even another new high on the SPY. So again, not that bearish here. I don't think 30.8 was a major top. But as you know, you got to be prepared for anything in these markets. So am I more bullish Bitcoin or Ethereum? I mean, Ethereum Bitcoin chart, as I showed, that looked pretty nice coming off that last low. So I probably would guess Ethereum's a little higher risk, a little higher reward. So I'd probably say Ethereum. And we are near oversold on Ethereum, but I think if Bitcoin falls there, I think you'll still have a maybe hopefully a little more sell-off in Ethereum. Otherwise, everything's still looking pretty good as we speak. So let me go into a little bit of Elliott wave here before I drop off. Here's Bitcoin. That's the 5-minute chart. Let's go to the 4-hour. This is the chart I was showing in the Discord. Blue 5 waves up, ended up there at that 31,000, 30,800, mattering what exchange. Kind of tough to count on the way down. Maybe an ABC X. And then maybe we have an A in here, a little bit of a rally, then another sell-off, early next week. I'm not sure. Usually if you have 5 waves up, as shown in blue, then support is the previous 4th. That's why I was saying 27.8 was support for this sell-off. Coming down to that quickly. And again, that could be on a bigger count. Could be a 1-2 in yellow. And then another 1-2 in blue. So we're ready for 3 up. 3 of 3. If that happens, that means we got fireworks to the upside coming. The bear count would be that the first rally wasn't a 1, it was an A. This is a B. And then the 5 waves up was a C. So we've done a major ABC. And we're headed to below 15.5. So definitely we got to worry about that. We got to see how these things act here. Especially, as I said, stocks, I've had sells here. We're only at 44.8 on the tech on QQQ, 47 and change on the SPY. Let me go to my Wyckoff wave that I like to follow. A Wyckoff wave new. I'm not going to bring the chart up, but I'm going to check it here. Wyckoff wave new index that I follow that's been pretty good. Still at 51.2, so that's on a sell. So stocks look lower. So we got to see how crypto holds up while stocks take a little bit of slap in the face with some wood here. So let's see what happens. Then let's look at Ethereum real quick. Same type of thing on an Elliott wave. A little tougher to read. I think the 5 waves was a little more 1, 2, and then maybe 3 and an upward standing 4 and then a 5. That's why, again, I mentioned 1850 was support. Looks like that's more of a triangle that ended there. So we got to see how those levels hold up, see what happens. I will show a Tesla chart. That definitely affects stock sentiment. Let's bring that up. Here's Tesla. You can see 161 and change. Horrible close today. Definitely got some issues there. There's a Tesla chart going back a year. Our technometer's neutral, 44.4. Not much to add. If I get an oversold technometer in Tesla, I would like that, but so far, not happening. So we're going to go back to the Bitcoin dollar chart, wrap this thing up. Stocks closed. I've said all I can say. There's the Bitcoin. Let's bring in the Wyckoff markings. WyckoffSMI.com, the original institute started by Mr. Wyckoff. I do own and run that now. Again, was looking for a backup, and my backup wouldn't look bad if we came down and even took out 26.6, 26.5. So I'm not saying we'll do that, but probably I'd still be bullish. But somewhere around that 26, 26.5, we've got to hold that, or we could have put a good top in. So we start getting that activity, I'll be live here much more. But as we said, patreon.com/learncrypto, $40 a month. I'm gonna run a couple commercials on the Discord and also private client group where we manage crypto assets, stock assets through Schwab. And let's see how tomorrow goes. So I'm out of here. Couple commercials. Catch you maybe tomorrow. Might be doing a duo show with Nick, but we'll keep you posted. See you.
Warren Buffett, American investor, business tycoon, and one of the wealthiest people in the world, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But how is that possible? Well, knowledge is power. In 2020, it is no longer news that cryptocurrencies are the currency of the digital future. Bitcoin's stability amidst unprecedented global economic impacts from COVID-19 has proven once again that crypto is here to stay. Learning how to trade, when to trade, and where to trade crypto assets can make the difference between success and failure. At LearnCrypto.io, we offer a pathway to sustainable and lifelong wealth by helping open-minded beginners and experienced traders navigate the thin ice of the cryptocurrency markets. Live shows, interviews, coin reviews, fundamental analysis, predictive trading bots, and open chat access to a community of real traders. These are just a few of the benefits you'll receive with a membership on patreon.com/learncrypto. Sign up today if you strive to build yourself a brighter tomorrow.
Do you personally invest or trade stocks? Then you'll want to gain access to our private Discord channel. By subscribing to our pro traders at WyckoffSMI.com, you'll receive individual stock suggestions based upon the Wyckoff method, review possible trade setups, as well as receive emails when any trade suggestions are given. But if you're too busy to manage your own stock portfolio, consider our private client group at our registered investment advisor, Black Bay Capital Advisors. You'll get the personal touch while we manage your stock portfolio for you through the trusted custodian, Charles Schwab. For an annual fee, you'll have more time to enjoy life while we focus on growing your portfolio. We'll be on the same side of the table, working to help you secure your long-term financial goals.
We'll see you all again. Sleep tight.
Let's see.
Peace out. Catch you probably tomorrow.